Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect Xbox One controller to iPhone. So you can connect your Xbox One controller to iPhone using Bluetooth, and here's the simple step-by-step you can follow to enable or to connect your Xbox One controller to your iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open your Bluetooth and turn it on, then put your Xbox controller in pairing mode. So to do that, just press and hold the Xbox button to turn it on, and pair and hold the pair button on the top of the controller until the Xbox button start flashing, which is flashing color. Then after that, in Bluetooth settings, look for Xbox wireless controller, then tap to pair it. So once connected, the Xbox button will stop flashing, which indicates that your Xbox is connected to your device. Then after that, you can open a game that supports controller and check if it works. And here's a key important note that you must know. You must take note of it. It's very important. Your iPhone must be running iOS 13 or later for Xbox controller support. And some older Xbox One controller without Bluetooth won't work. So you have to also get a suitable and a compatible Xbox controller with same time and compatible iOS. And that's just a simple guide on how to connect. Once you have these two device compatibility, then you have no problem connecting it together using your Bluetooth, and that's it.